Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can level up your plants in Plants vs. Brainrot. So as you can see, there are levels to your plants here. You are able to, let's go to Central Island real quick. You are able to convert your plants to EXPs. I think you can get it from, Brainrot battles as well as like a prize. So you don't have to extract your plants every time. But if you do, you can just get it and place plant. You'll need to, however, place 5 plants for it to convert to an XP. So this is how it works. You're just going to grab your XP bottle and you're going to click the plant you want to kind of upgrade. So let's do this cocoa tank here, and it's going to add some XP. As you can see, the level is going up, even though just a little bit. Maybe it will go up more using the other XP bottle, but I'm not just going to waste it on that one. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.